In one device, no real laptop. So what we got here on the box, we got the Huawei logo. It's shiny in gold. We see the Intel inside, and we see the Dolby Atmos logo. We see the specs on the side. Let's see, space gray is the color. We got 256 gigabyte SSD, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the CPU is a real i5 Intel, not an M. It's an i5 7200U CPU, and the device is fanless. Nothing else on the back side. Huawei Technology Incorporation Energy Star logo. Let's get it out of the box here and just pull. Oh, again, we see another Huawei logo here. We see the sticker, and let's open it up. There we go. And there we go. The whole box is opening this way. The laptop is coming, gets lifted. We see Huawei. We get an alert to first connect the adapter and charge the battery before powering on the device for the first time. Whoa, this is something we only knew from older smartphones. But of course, if they're telling us to do this, then we do it. What else is in the box? We see a charger. And we got the space gray version, and I can already see it. The charger and the cable will be white. We got only one USB Type-C port, and the output of this charger is 20 volt, 2 amperes. So we got a 40 watt charger here, which should be sufficient for the Matebook X. Let's see what we got on stickers and cables. Oh. We got a handbook, warranty card. We got a quick start guide. Let's see. We got environment information, charging the device, getting to know your Matebook X. Where is what? Okay. Then initial setup. Oh, and we got a fingerprint reader in the on-off button near the keyboard. Getting started. How to run Windows or how to start it. Okay. And charging the device, use the left USB Type-C port, logging in password free. Oh, there's also the Matebook 2 included. Let's see. So warranty guide, first starter guide. So, oh, here we got the adapter, and this is something I really like. The device costs 1,400 euros. 50 euros less than the entry-level MacBook, 12-inch MacBook from Apple. Where you don't get the charger and where you only got one USB Type-C port. Here we got two, and we get the adapter included. We got USB Type-C, we got a normal USB port, the second USB Type-C port, so we don't lose the USB Type-C port. We got HDMI, and we got a VGA port. I don't know why they are including a VGA port. For my taste, they just should have included another USB port or another USB Type-C port. Then, of course, what else do we get? We got no stickers, nothing more in the box, but we get a short USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's it. So let's check out the I always want to say MacBook, but no, it's a Matebook. And you will soon see why I have problems here and there calling it a Matebook and not a MacBook. Because if you see it from the downside, it definitely looks like a MacBook from Apple. If you turn it around, there you can see the Huawei logo. But still, if you just look at the color and the size of the device, you could confuse it for a MacBook. And now, if you open it up, you will say MacBook. You definitely see there is quite a resemblance here. Oh, and on the left side, the left USB-C port is a normal USB port, and also the one you should use for charging. While the right-sided USB-C port is only a normal and non-charging port. So let's go to get around the device, USB-C and a headphone jack. Nothing surrounding the device, nothing. And the second USB-C port here. And you see speakers are above here and no fan openings. The device is completely fanless. And another thing, yes, I told you, the resemblance to a 12-inch MacBook is definitely there. Oh, you can bend the keyboard a little bit if you push a little bit harder, but normal typing shouldn't. No, normal typing on the chiclet keyboard, which is a full-size chiclet keyboard, of course with the German QWERTZ layout here, feels normal, feels good. Nice keyboard. Trackpad is also big. Yes, we got the silver frame surrounding the trackpad, which is okay. And now is a special thing about the device. Of course, I always say looks like a MacBook from Apple, but yes, it looks like, but we got a 13.3-inch Windows device in the casing of a 12-inch MacBook. So there you can see where I want to go with this. Here it's a little bit bigger. You get more screen. You get a 2K display resolution, and it weighs 1050 grams. For comparison, the 12-inch MacBook weighs 920 grams. And I'm now really looking forward to typing and working with this device, carrying it around. Looks like an interesting device, even for a price point of 1400 euros. For comparison, the biggest competitor, in my opinion, will be a Dell XPS 13-inch device, which comes in a little bit cheaper, but therefore it's not that tiny build and not that light, but you get more ports, just saying. But this is it. That's everything that's in the box of the Huawei device. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!